Hello everybody, welcome back to some more Daily Nonograms, the series where I blurt out random numbers to myself while I try to solve today's puzzle. Today is November 4. It is currently 12:45 in the afternoon, so starting pretty early today. Um, Without further ado, let's begin. We had a pretty rough start yesterday. I'm hoping this will be better. And my eye immediately catches on to these stuff right here. Right, let's get started. So 10, 2, 5, nothing. 1, 10, 5, also nothing. 8, 4, 1, 2, 6, 5, 6, 1, 8, 9, minus 3, like that. 19, 2, 1, 1, 4, 8, 11, 12, minus 7, yep, like that. Alright. 3, 1, 8, 3, minus 7, okay. 3, 3, 6, 4, I don't think so, but yeah. Okay, hang on. Alright, 1, 10, 3, 3, minus 5. We already cleared that though, right? We can connect this 12. 9, 7, 2. Okay, wait. 9, 7, 2, minus 5, minus 5, 10. Okay. That's a 5. Just like that. That's a 1. That's a 6. Nothing here. That's part of the 6. Nothing here. Nothing here. Okay. 3, 3, 7 fits. Damn. It's kind of unfortunate. What about this one? 6, 4, 1. Okay. Down here. 2, 4, 1, 4. Okay. This 10 though. 10, 2. Okay. So the 10 has to be up here. So 10 minus 5. Alright. 12, 5, 9. Part of the 10. Like that. 9. Okay. That's a 4. Where to go? 4, 1, 9, 3. That's minus 4. We can do that. 5, 6, 6, 1, 2. Yep. That's a 2. Wait, 5, 6, 6, 1, 2. Yeah. That's at least a 3. So this is a 5. Like that. 4. That's a 1. That's a 1. This is the 6. This is the 4. So 4, 6, 1, minus 3. Okay. That's a 7, the 4, 6, and then 5. Extend this 5 here. I'm still correct, right? Let me just check. Yeah, I'm still correct. Still good. That's an 8. What's this? Where do we go? Not the cleanest start either today, I guess. This looks really messy. Like this section right here. I feel like there's something I could do about it, but I'm just not seeing it right now. 11, 3, minus 10, 2. No space for a 7. So that has to be a 3. Yeah. Now can we extend 4, 1, 9, 3 minus 3? That's a 5. That's a 3. Yeah. That's part of the 6. It's part of the 7. There's a 3. That's a 2. 19, 2. Yeah. So minus 1, minus 1. That's a 4. So this is a 1, 4. Yeah. That's a 4. Nothing here. We can extend this 8, 11, I bet. 8, 11. Oops. 8, 11. Minus 4. Minus 4. Minus 4. Okay. Still very messy. That's an 8. With 4, 4, 5. I think this is the 4 and that's a 5. Am I correct? Hang on, let me just try that. Because that's a 4. If that's a 4, I'm just gonna try it. I feel like my gut is correct. My gut is correct. That's a great gut feeling right there. Cleans that up kind of nicely. That's a 6, then 1, and then 8. Wait, too much. 8. Yeah. That's a 5. Yeah. That's a 5. That has to be at least a 3. Okay. Oh, this is a 5. So that's a 3. There's a 3 over here. Those are 4s. So that's a 3. And that's a 3. 2, 2. Yep. And then so there's a 3 over here. Yeah, I'm correct, right? Yep. Nothing here. Nothing here. Extend the 7. Extend the 5. Block this. No space. Yeah. That's a 3. That's a 4. 6. That's a 5. That's a 9. That's our 6 right there. 2, 4, 1. Yeah, that's a 6. That's a 1. That's our 7. Correct? Correct. 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1. That's the 11. Okay, no space. That's a 4. No space here. That's our 7. Yep. No space. No space. 5 to 4. That's a 6. 2, 1. Where'd I go? This is kind of a slow start. Nothing here. 4, 3, 4. So like that. 4 up here. So that's a 5. It's a 9, 10, 3, 4, 10, 3, 6, 2, 4, 1, 1, 10, 3. Alright. Nice. Nice. Okay. 7, 2, 8. That's a 19. That's a 9. That's a 4. Nothing here, nothing here. It's a 4. This is part of the 10. So like that. It's part of the 5. Nothing here. Part of the 6. 4. This is a cross. Yeah. That's a 7. That's a 3. That's a 1. Okay. 4, 6. Correct, right? Alright. Mm, 3, 6. Yeah, nice. 5, 4, 8. Nothing here. It's a 5. It's a 4. Nothing here. That's a 3. It's part of the 11 and part of the 5. Okay. I'm correct, right? Yeah, I'm gonna pause this here because I need to go to the toilet and take a crap. I'll be right back afterwards. Thank you. Cutting. Okay, I am back. Hello again. I've just gotten back from the toilet. Let's continue. Okay, so no space. It's an 8. This. Okay, that's an 8. That's a 4. Yeah. So that's a 1. That's a 7. 7 and 8. Alright. 8, 7, 12, 3, done, 9, done, 5, 1, 1, yeah, 4, 6, 4, 1, 4, 2. Stand. That's a 9, 11 right there, done. 2, 3, 8, 4, yeah, like that. That's a 5, 1, 10, 5, like that. That's a 3, that's a 4, that's a 10, 8, 1, 3, 3, 3. Okay. This is okay. That extends to there. 2, 4, 2, 3, 8, 4, like that. Yeah, that's a 1. 6, 6, 1, 8, 9. Correct. This is correct, right? Yeah, still done. I'm still good. 4. That's a 1, 3, 3, 3. 8, 1, 3, 3, 3. Like that. Great. That's a 1, 4, 5, 7, 2, 1, 3, 5. Yeah. That's a 6. 8, 4, 1, 2, 6. Yep. 19, 2, 1, 1. Nice. That's a 1. That's a 7. That completes everything. That's a 11. 5, 4, 3, 3. That's a 1. That's a 4. That's a 5. That's a 2. That's a 9. That's a 2. It's a 4. Yep. 2, 1, 4, 1 completes. That's a 6. 3. Yeah. 4, 5, 2. That's a 3. 5. Right, like that. That's a 3. 4, 5, 2. That's a 2. That's a 1 right here. 7, 2 minus 3. That's a 3. That's a 2. 2, 1. Nothing here. That's a 7 minus 4. 2, 1, 2. This is at least a 3. That's a 3. I'm correct, right? Please. Yeah, I'm still correct. Okay. Where to go next? I feel like there's some way to finish this. Nothing here. I feel like there's some way to finish this down here. Just don't know what. 6, 8. Oh man. 6, 8, 1, 1, 2 completes. That's a 1, 2, 1. That's a 1. Okay. This is a 3. That's a 5, 3 right there. That's a 3. 1, 3 minus 2. That's a 1. Wait, no, it's not. 5, 1, 3. 1, 3 minus 2. Nothing here. Nothing here. Extend the 7. What else? That's a 1. Which means we can extend the 7. That's a 3. That's a 2. That's a 1. That's a 2. 3. So 1, 1, 3 up here minus 2. Nothing here. Correct, right? Yep. Yeah. Great. Very nice, very nice. Nothing down here. What now? What now? What now? Wait. That's a 2. So nothing here. Which means no space for 4. No space for the 4. So 4 has to be 3, 1. No space for the 4, so it has to be down here. That's a 3, 3, 3. Oh, that's a 5 and a 1, so nothing here. That's a 3, that's a 4, that's a 1. Yeah. 1, 7, 2, 3. That's a 2. 5, 1, 3, 1, 3. 6. There's a 3 up here. So 3, 1, 8, 3 like that. 3, 3, 6, 4 like that. That's a 3. There's a 1. That's a 2. Man. Nothing here. 2, 1, 1 completes. 3, 2, 2 completes. Yeah. That's nothing. There's something here. 5, 3, 1. Okay. That's a 4. 5, 3, 1, 1. That's a 2. That's a 2. 1, 3. That's a 2. 4, 1, 2, 2, 6. That's a 4. This is a 1. That's a 2. 5, 3, 1, 1. 4, 4, 1. 2, 5, 2. This is kind of a tough endgame. 3, 3, 2, 1, 2, 6. 3, 4, 1, 1, 1. 4, 4, 1, 3, 2. 7, 2, 1, 3, 5. 4, 4, 1, 1, 1, 1. Nothing there. 4, 1, 2, 2, 6. 7 there. 4, 5, 2, 3. That's a 3. Nothing. 3, 3. That's clear. That's 3. That's 3. That's 3. And yeah, that's good. 1, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1. And that should be the last. There we go. Nice. Done in 24:51. Alright, I'm gonna upload this real quick, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.